Hi guys.
Hi. We ordered this car off Amazon. It's called the Cyclone Fast Action Stunt Car. It does 360 spins, double-sided, and double the action. So it comes with two of these little battery packs like this, and it comes with a tiny screwdriver. The battery packs come with a USB cord, and the USB cord, you plug the battery pack into the USB cord just like you would plug your phone up, and you would plug it right into the wall. So these two battery packs, I have a second one, they're rechargeable. They go in the car. AA batteries go in the remote control, and you do not get the AA batteries that go in the remote control. Okay, so off and on button, back, forth, up, down, all that stuff. This is the button to make it spin. Here's the car. It has little lights there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you flip it over. Kind of same situation on both sides. You have to unscrew it here to put the battery on. And then you're going to unscrew it there to put that battery on. Also, this is the power button. I don't know if I showed that before. This is the power button, the little black button in the middle. So that's what you're going to have to do, and now we're going to go and play with it. All right. I feel like the car can take a lot of different type of terrains. It works well in the grass. It works well on the sidewalk. We haven't taken it anywhere else. But our grass here is wet, and it's still even driving in wet grass. We're gonna go wipe it off now. But I like it. I think it's good. I think you guys, if you're looking into getting a remote control car, thumbs up for this one.